So problem 46, we've got this 2,2-dimethylpropane, and we're asked to sketch an energy diagram that shows a conformational analysis of 2,2-dimethylpropane. And then afterwards, they want us to ask us, does the shape of this energy diagram more closely resemble the shape of the energy diagram for ethane or for butane? So let's first draw this molecule out using our usual line drawings. And we have two methyl groups at carbon 2. Now, we need to have some three-dimensional information here in order to draw out Newman projections. So we've got a methyl group, a methyl group, a methyl group. We've got a hydrogen, hydrogen, and a hydrogen. And if I look down this bond here and I make a Newman structure, Newman projection of this, I will get in the front carbon, hydrogen up, back carbon, 3 methyls. Okay. Now as that carbon atom in back rotates, let's say clockwise, so we're going to rotate the back carbon, what we'll get is a new it's kind of ugly looking, isn't it? Let's fix that. The methyl groups will all eclipse the hydrogen from the front carbon. Okay, and so these are the only two conformations. When you keep rotating, you will alternate between the left, the right, the left, the right, the left, the right. So we can call this 0 degrees if we want. And if we were to sketch out the energy profile for this, at 0 degrees, we would have a certain energy. Okay. At 60 degrees, it would be minimum energy. At 120, that would be eclipsed again. Okay. And so on. So and it just keeps repeating. So there's only two conformations. Okay, and that we can sketch that out to 360 if we wanted to. So you only have two conformations. You have your eclipse conformation, which is higher in energy, and you have 3 eclipsing CH3 hydrogen torsional strain there. And then the staggered conformation essentially is 0, right? There's no strain there. There's no eclipsing, there's no gauche interactions, there's nothing, okay? So this very closely resembles, most similar to ethane. Remember, for butane, you have many, it looks much more complicated. It's not just two conformations that alternate. You have a gauche interaction, you have syn eclipsed, you have an anti-conformation. So there's many more different types of conformations, whereas this 2,2-dimethylpropane has only 2 conformations. It's much more.